Hello guys, today's gonna be wild because we will be opening, guys. We will be unboxing Heatwave, Pokemon Heatwave, guys, from Korea. So this one is consists of 30 booster packs. Okay, let's make it fast, guys. I know you all want to see the hits inside. Actually, it's my first time to open Pokemon Heatwave. And I'm really excited, guys, because I really love the artwork on this set. Excuse me for that. So let's not damage the whole box because we can probably use the box for some purposes. So inside, okay, I want to ensure that there's 30 pack inside. Oh, holy shit. So there's 30 packs inside of it. Okay, so that's 30 packs for you. Okay, we will put here. And we'll be opening all of them. So hopefully we can get some hits. And as you know, guys, I've been opening a lot of Korean packs lately. And I really did not get any special hits. Actually, I get some good illustration rare. So this one, our first hit, first pack magic. We got a lot of EX, we got a lot of special rares, but we never got, guys, SIRs. And it's really frustrating because I opened a lot of boxes already. So hopefully, guys, hopefully for this set. Wow, look at that. I love that Lapras. Let's go. Although the centering is quite off, but I love this Misty Lapras ER. Very nice artwork. I love it. We'll take that, guys. This is our official first hit for today. Actually, I'm not counting the EX cards because EX cards are very common. And, there's... Wow! But if Ho-Ho EX card, then it's a different story, guys. Ho-Ho EX card! Oh my god, I love Ho-Ho. This is the reason why I bought Heatwave. So if you want to purchase Heatwave, guys, I'm selling this in my Shopee shop. So I have a Shopee shop, guys. I'm selling per pack. And you can buy one pack, guys, for Korean pack for almost 7 ringgit. 7 ringgit only. Or less if you will buy if you will buy more than 10. So I can give you freebies, guys. So please visit my shop, guys. Please support our Shopee shop, Daily Dose of Magic. You can check that in the description below. I'll be putting my Shopee shop in the description, guys. So hopefully you can support me for our growing channel. So the sale on that on that Shopee shop will be used to purchase another cards for our box opening because it's really expensive, guys, to open packs. It's not a joke, especially if you're not yet monetized in YouTube and you're opening a lot of packs like this. It's really not a joke, guys. Actually, I've been using all of my funds to make a video for all of you. So it's really quite expensive. So for example, in my past few videos, guys, I already spent around 1,000 ringgit for opening of the box. White Flare, Black Bolt, what else? Battle Partner. What else? Actually, we opened quite a lot this past few days. Hopefully, we get some nice hits. Okay, EX card. I like the EX card on this set, actually, but it's not surprising for me. It's not so special. But the EX card in this set is really awesome, especially the Ho-Ho EX card. We got it, and got some Lapras illustration rare. Okay, so we got some holo card. Actually, I'm keeping the holo cards. We will be using them as freebies, when someone bought some packs or cards to me, I'm using them, guys, as the freebies because we're also selling cards. I'll be showing you guys in my next videos almost all of our hits for all of the set in Korean booster packs. Then we will be posting them. Wow! Look at that illustration rare. Let's go. Wow, I like the illustration rare on this set. It's so colorful, it's so cute, It's so cute and it's so colorful. Probably this will sell good. Some of the collectors love cute Pokemons. Some wants nice artwork, but some wants cute Pokemon only. So, where are you there, guys? Do you want cute Pokemons? Or do you want uh, great artwork? So, it's kind of two different things. So, based on my experience, majority of the collectors wants the cute Pokemon, guys. We'll take that. We'll take that holo card. So until now, guys, nothing so special until now. Only some EX illustration rares. I really want to get some SIR. I never experienced it in my whole life, actually. I've been opening, if you're old in my channel, you know already, guys, that we're opening a lot of packs, English, Japanese, Korean, every versions of it we're opening, and we never got some, very cool hit. Well, the holo card on this set is really nice, Gyarados. I like it when there's some trainer in beside the Pokemon. It gives some emphasize on. It's like on the battle partner. It's really nice. Okay, yeah, I like this one, Typhlosion. I like it. See? I like the Typhlosion holo card. We'll take that, guys. Some other people wants holo card. Well, actually, guys, on the first editions, there is no illustration bears. There's only holo cards. But the holo cards were really awesome. Oh my god, we're near to the end goal, guys. But we haven't get some really awesome hits. Please, please, please give me something. Okay, illustration rare again. But unfortunately, it's not my type. Don't know what's the name of this crab Pokemon. If you like, please comment on the video, guys. I'll be giving away whenever. Actually, guys, if I'm be monetized in YouTube, guys, so please support me, guys. I'll be giving a lot of giveaways because I have a lot of cards already. Wow, yan ma EX. Let's go. I like this sorry, it's not butterfly, it's dragonfly. Let's go. Not bad. Actually, guys, later I will show you guys all of our cards. It's already so many here. I've been collecting a lot of cards lately, especially the Korean packs and also some Magic the Gathering cards. So if you're interested in Magic the Gathering, guys, you can comment also here. We'll be giving away something whenever we will get monetized. So please support our channel, guys. And you'll be the first people who will get something from us. Actually, being a YouTuber, guys, being a Pokemon YouTuber is really not easy, guys, because you need to invest a lot. It's not a joke. Probably you'll know if you're collecting already. You'll know that you're using a lot of wow! Let's go! SAR! Wow! My God, Garchomp, this is my first SAR, guys, in my... this is my first SAR, guys, in the whole history of Pokemon World. My God. Very nice cut. Very nice SAR. Holy shit. Oh my God. Woo! It's so satisfying, guys. Oh my God. This is our first SAR, guys, in my... Actually, first, because the Chiu EX, guys, that we sold last time is not an SAR. It's only a SR. My God, look at that. Let's go! Oh, I'm so happy, guys. I'm so happy. That is so fulfilling. That is so fulfilling, guys. For this, oh my God. Probably we will be keeping that first. I want to keep that first. I don't want to sell that first, guys, because it's my first SAR. You know what I mean? Oh my God, let's go. Please keep it coming, guys. Please keep it coming. That Garchomp is really awesome, guys. So I suggest, guys, you open this pack. This heat wave is full of hits. Okay, Pokemon Heatwave, guys, is full of nice cards. Korean, Japanese, any, guys, you can open. But I suggest you open Korean because Korean packs are really cheap until now. Unlike the Japanese pack, I think this one is already 300 ringgit in Japanese pack. Japanese box, 300 ringgit, guys, for one box of Heatwave. But for Korean, you can buy it for 150, 140 ringgit. So it's half the price, and you will get, wow, that's some nice normal card. See? Last 2 packs, guys. Last 2 pack magic. Oh my God, I'm so happy. I'm so happy right now, guys. But I hope we can get at least last hit on our last pack. Last pack magic. I'm so happy. Probably I'll be buying a lot of Heatwave from now on. Oh my God, no more. No more, guys. Okay, thank you so much, guys. And this is our hits. Oh my God, Garchomp. SAR, let's go! No freaking way! No freaking way! Okay, how many illustration rare? 1, 2, 3. 3 illustration rare and very nice Ho-Ho EX, guys. I think this is my best box so far. Tell me your thoughts, guys. Thank you so much. And peace. God bless.